The Realme 12 Pro Plus test point is the easy solution for fixing a brick device. If your Realme 12 Pro Plus is dead, stuck in a boot loop, or you need to bypass the FRP, factory reset protection, lock, boot into Qualcomm emergency download, EDL, mode, which allows your computer to detect the device so you can flash or unlock it. Because the Realme 12 Pro Plus runs on the Qualcomm SM7435 chipset, it works via the Qualcomm HS-USB QD 9008 port. This guide shows how to locate the test point and force the device into EDL mode. What is the EDL test point? The EDL test points consist of two copper pads near the battery connector of your motherboard PCB. Just short these 2 points using tweezers or using a jumper wire when you plug in your phone into a computer. It allows you to go into 9008 flash mode, which is the only place where you can make repairs that require going beyond what you can do with fast boot or recovery mode. Realme 12 Pro Plus test point image. Below is the test point image for the Realme 12 Pro Plus to boot your phone into flash mode. By shorting the 2 points, you can force the device into Qualcomm QD 9008 mode. This connection is necessary to flash stock firmware, bypass the FRP lock, or reset user data if the phone is bricked. Point. Required tools. Before proceeding, make sure you have the following tools and drivers ready. PC/laptop, running Windows OS. USB cable, a high-quality or original data cable. Conductive tool, tweezers, or a piece of copper wire to short the test points. Opening tools, a heat gun, removal tool, and screwdriver to disassemble the back panel. Drivers, Qualcomm HS-USB QD 9008 driver installed on your PC. Software, unlock tool, DFT Pro, Chimera, or your preferred FRP unlock tool. Steps to use Realme 12 Pro Plus test point. Turn off the phone completely and unplug it from the computer. Remove the back cover to expose the motherboard. Unplug the battery connector from the motherboard. This is often necessary for the device to enter EDL mode correctly. Find the 2 specific EDL copper pins on the motherboard. Use metal tweezers or a copper wire to bridge, touch, both test points simultaneously. While holding the tweezers in place, keeping the points shorted, plug the USB cable into the phone and PC. Once the computer makes a sound or the device is detected, remove the tweezers. Immediately reconnect the battery flex cable. Some devices will exit EDL mode if the battery isn't reconnected quickly. Check Device Manager on your PC. The phone should be listed under ports, COM and LPT, as Qualcomm HS-USB QD 9008. You are now ready to use your flashing or unlock tool.